Here you can see my Grasshopper script. This is for the daylight autonomy, and then I have a similar script for the daylight factor. In another video I show the genome. So here I will just show and start the optimization tool where I use Galapagos as a plugin. The result I shown in the documentation took 8 hours to conduct. So this video will only contain a few number of iterations because otherwise the file size would be too long and the length of the video also too long. But here you can see, but in the documentation file you can see a selection of the results I conducted after the 8 hours. And yeah, so here is my script for the daylight autonomy, and the genome, the Galapagos plugin is here. Here you can specify the genome, which is indicated by the red lines here, which I put on the genome I uses. And here you can see the fitness, which is on the plug on this number, and I use the daylight autonomy here, daylight autonomy, and in the rest of the script is how the genome and geometrical values are programmed. Here you can see the options in the Galapagos editor where I use the evolutionary solver, and the fitness is set to be maximized. So now we go to the solvers. Again, it should be on evolutionary solver. And then in order to start the optimization, we just click Start Solver. And then the program or tool would start to run a number of daylight analysis. And I will only show a few number of iterations because otherwise the video will be too long. Here you can see the results after one iteration, which took approximately 1 hour. I will stop the video here because otherwise it would be too long. But you can see the results after more iterations in the documentation file.